Hi guys, it's Spence from Onyx Automotive, and today we've got a very special one for you. We have this brand new Lamborghini Huracan STO that came straight from Lamborghini themselves. The first question you're probably asking right now is, why have we got a brand new 0-mile Lamborghini Huracan STO in straight from Lamborghini? Why does it need work? Reason being is when these cars come out of the factory, they're actually hand painted. They're not painted by a robot, so therefore these cars actually need to be wet flatted, which leaves a lot of pigtails and sanding marks in the paintwork, even straight from factory. We're going to get rid of all the sanding marks, all the pigtail marks. So that's the reason why it's in here. Throughout this video, you're going to see blue tape across the car, little dots of blue tape. Reason being is that there are a lot more pigtails and deeper sanding marks in these areas, so we've marked them out just so our expert detailers can spend a little bit more extra time on them and just make sure every single area of this car has been machine polished, and just make sure every single pigtail and sanding mark and wet flatting mark has completely vanished off the car. And then once we've done that, it's going to have a nice wipe over, and then it's going straight back to Lamborghini to the customer.
Come on.
So there you have it, guys. The Lamborghini STO has officially been complete. All the sanding marks, all the pigtails have now completely vanished off the vehicle, even inside all the really hard to reach places. So just to remind you one more time, this car has gone through a multi-stage machine polish and an ultra refining stage also, and we've also added a ceramic spray wax to the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think of this colour combo down in the comments. I'm very interested to see your guys' opinions. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button, and also if you don't want to miss another video from us, feel free to hit that notification bell and subscribe. We've got some very special cars coming in the next few days. Until next time, we'll see you soon.